Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marinanor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuluyan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Di akalain magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woo-woo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling yung magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling yung hindi masyadong type, or hindi kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop the balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single.
Hi!
Hello.
Hi, Miss Marion.
Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Angela Janine. I'm 23.
Okay, and anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I model and freelance artist.
Ano namang mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I actually love to travel. And of course, I love singing.
Ooh, sample, 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 sample.
Di mo lang alam, ika'y nasaktan o baka sakali lang maisip mo naman. Puro siya na lang, sana ako na lang. Di mo lang alam, ika'y minamazdan. Sana yung mamalayang hindi mo lang palalam, di mo lang alam.
Woo! Alright! Ano pang mga ibang hobbies mo? It's mostly traveling and singing, ganon.
Yes po, I love playing guitar also and nagpe-play din ako ng drums and piano.
Okay. O, sample. Joke lang. Wala tayong drums dito eh. Okay, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality traits?
Personality traits, gusto ko God-fearing.
Okay.
Usually, gusto ko yung mga guys na may sense of humor.
Okay.
Sample kayo ng joke
Sample din,
mamaya.
mamaya meron. O, tingnan natin. Sa physical traits naman, anong hinahanap mo?
Gusto ko moreno.
Oh, okay. Ay, may mga natamaan sa lineup. Oh. Should we go on or ano pa?
Gusto ko somehow mas matangkad sa akin konti.
Okay. A deal breaker naman sa'yo, ano?
Mas maltangkad ako. And ayoko ng guy na masyadong magagalitin.
Okay.
Yon.
So, calm lang, ganon.
Yes, gusto ko something na chill. Ganon lang.
Okay. All right. Well, mukhang may mga nag-pop sa ating lineup. So, let's go over here and find out kung bakit. Okay, so your name, your age, and your job.
Matthew, 22, and student intern.
So, ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Yung sinabi niya po, Moreno.
Deal breaker ba talaga sa'yo yun? Or preference mo lang pero okay lang naman na
Preference ko lang,
Okay.
pero okay lang naman na hindi.
hindi? Oh.
Sayang.
O, paano yan?
Next round.
Next round. So, you don't want your balloon back anymore?
Pwede po ba?
Well, if you want to give him a balloon back, do you want to give him a balloon back?
Okay.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, okay.
O, yun naman pa. Ba't binibigay mo yun sa'yo? Marami naman kami dyang stock.
Mukhang ayaw niya.
Okay, let's give him a balloon back. Okay, so we'll talk more later. O, sino pa yung isa nag-pop dyan? Okay. Alright.
Jordan Yanko, 23, accounting staff.
So, ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Sabi niya po kasi moreno, tsaka parang medyo matangkad po sa akin. Nakailis kasi siya kanina, akala ko mas matangkad. Tsaka hindi ko rin siguro prepared yung mga model. Sobrang nagaganda kasi ako sa kanila.
Ano bang gusto mo sa girlfriend mo? Yung hindi maganda? Ano ba?
Yung mas gusto ko yung mga cute type na girl, tsaka yung mga corporate type, yung dressing nila. Yan.
So, hindi siya pasok doon?
Hindi po. Baka mag-break lang din kami kung ano eh.
Pag?
But,
Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya? Or do you have any response to what he said?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Ba't naman sakto lang?
Actually, he's cute, pero mas hindi
Ay,
ko bet
inikilig
yung
siya.
hindi ko bet lang mga chinito siguro.
Okay. Okay. Pinalaki yung mata. Yun, sinustretch niya yung eyelids niya. Pwede daw siya mag-adjust. Uy. Oh, okay. Anyway, do you have any other comment?
Wala na. Thank you po.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Oh, ano na naman nangyala? Ba't kayo ganyan? Isa-isa lang. Okay, so dito naman tayo. Please step forward. Oh, you want your balloon back. So it was a mistake. Accident. Ayun naman pala.
Papa-autos di siya nag-pop, so it's a sign. I believe in signs.
Pero talagang plano mo mag-pop.
Kinda.
Okay, I'll step forward. Name, age, and job so you can get to know each other first.
I am Jack, 32, and I work in a financial.
So bakit ka dapat magpa-pop and na-pop na nga?
I mean, look at her. She's been built, and she has a lot of hobbies, and
Kasi ikaw yung lumapit dito.
6 feet apart.
Bakit? Ano to? Pandemic pa ba? Bakit ka layo na layo? Oh.
I admire the artistry, the guitar, and all that. I love that. Assertive.
But,
Yeah, it is what it is, I guess.
do you agree with him?
I feel like you're a genuine person. Yes. Yes.
Give me my balloon back.
Alam mo, fishing for compliments lang to eh. Gusto niya lang marinig.
Mentioned she doesn't want chinitos, and I'm saying kitos, you know.
Okay, pero ngayon, you want your balloon back. Okay ba sa'yo nabigay lahat yung balloon?
Okay, sige.
Okay, balloon daw. Oh, you're shy. Okay. All right, so more on that later. So, we have another pop balloon over there. So, let's go back over there.
Hi, I'm Josh, 25. I'm a wedding singer.
Sample, question mark.
Okay, I'll need my boys, backup dancers.
May backup dancers pa. Oh, guys, may request daw siya. Backupan niyo daw. Oh, go.
I'm just a bachelor. I'm looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to ride.
Okay, well, thank you so much for that. Let's give him a round of applause. And sa backup dancers niya rin dito. Oh, so, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Yung mga disqualifiers, yung chinito tsaka yung height. So, i-disqualify ko na yung self ko. Para,
Oh,
Do you agree with that? Talaga bang deal breaker for you yun? Or feeling mo pasok pa rin naman siya sa'yo?
deal breaker po.
Okay, so talagang you would have popped him then.
Maybe.
Okay, any response to that?
that's okay.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, super pretty. Model,
Taas na na.
models are intimidating. So think I'm not really sure how to deal with that. Like all the jealousy, I might be jealous because of all the attention that she get from other guys. So,
Pero agree ako na usually kasi sa industry na meron ako, yung pagsiselos, yung jealousy, it's really there.
Nagiging problem talaga.
Nagiging problem talaga siya. Kasi dapat yung magiging partner mo is very understanding. Kasi that's the career I chose. So dapat mas maintindihan niya yun.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your decision.
Do you believe in zodiac sign and what is your zodiac sign?
Okay, so I'll start over here. Okay.
Ayun lang.
Wait lang. Okay.
Oh, no.
So we'll get back to the question in a bit. We're just gonna go over there and find out ba't sila biglang nag-pop.
My name is Aaron Ferranda. I'm 23 years old and I'm a freelance actor and freelance commercial model.
So ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
Di ba God-fearing ka? Why do you believe that?
Well, God gave us stars, and stars is astrology, and zodiac sign comes from astrology.
So that's science. Science don't believe in God.
But
I'm a God-fearing too.
the smartest scientist can prove that God exists because of the most perfect DNA, and it came from Jesus Christ.
Well, I don't really need to prove anything from you. I mean, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya if she didn't ask that question?
Kind of our friend, not in a relationship.
Ba't naman friend vibe?
Yun yung vibe niya eh. For friend vibe lang siya eh.
Tropa ka. Tropa.
Ikaw ba type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Tropa vibes din
Tropa din.
talaga.
Ba't naman?
I feel like masyado siyang dominant. sa relationship or sa partner niya. Parang ganun yung vibe na gine-give off niya. So,
Okay. And you're not into that?
I'm not into that. Gusto ko talaga yung someone chill,
okay.
someone understanding, someone na mas maiintindihan ka. Parang ganun. Like, very, very open-minded. Thank
Okay. And
you.
you also popped your balloon, right?
Jacob Emmanuel Borja, turning 21 this year, and branch manager. The reason why I popped my balloon is I don't believe in zodiac sign. Though I'm a Cancer, zodiac signs sometimes tama siya. Pero para sa akin kasi, yung ugali ng tao naggaling siya kung saan ka lumaki. Di ako believe na stars are who you are. Aries, water sign, whatever. Who you are right now or who you become, it is part from who you are before. Paano mo ipakita yung sarili mo sa iba comes from your friends, family, and the other person that you know. So, I don't believe.
Any response to what he said?
I feel like yun yung belief niya and this is my belief too. So, we're two different people.
Okay. So, agree to disagree na lang.
Yes.
Pero kung hindi niya pinop yung balloon niya, type mo ba sana siya?
Again, with my disqualifiers earlier.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but sobrang, I feel like, mabait ka. Mabait ka.
Ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya if she didn't mention anything about zodiac signs?
Probably 50-50, I don't know. Because she is good looking, but probably 50-50. So I can say the other 50. So
Okay, so let's get back to your question. If I got everyone who popped already.
So, Virgo ako. And siguro ang answer ko is very, I like to plan things ahead of time. And if siguro hindi nagka-align yung plan ko, doon ako matataranta talaga.
I'm Aaron Christian from Pateros, Metro Manila, and 22 years old. I'm Sagittarius po pero wala po akong idea about that.
I'm Leo, and I don't know about astrology and that, but I can learn.
Yeah, go forward. Back talaga siya. Back shy kasi siya, shy. Oh. He needs your support.
Dan, 20. I am a student nurse and I do modeling as well.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
I am a Taurus and NGL, not gonna lie.
Thanks for the translation. Okay.
Ayun, NGL, not gonna lie. I don't really believe in zodiac signs, but I do believe that if you believe on something, it will truly manifest into your life. And how do you want it to manifest?
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. And one more.
Mine is Virgo.
Ano ba mga compatible sa Virgo? It
Um,
makes sense for you na Virgo siya? May face card daw mga Virgo.
really?
Okay, so yung ibang mga zodiac signs, walang face card. Ganon.
Pwede bang isa lang?
May discount. Sa Virgo? Wait, what? Papagbigyan ba natin siya? Isang balloon lang ipapop? Okay daw, go. So, 1 na lang. Okay, so you popped his balloon, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go over here. Bakit siya yung pinili mo ipop?
I'm sorry kasi meron akong ex na Sagittarius
Oh.
and hindi siya naging maganda.
Okay.
Yung result. So, I'm sorry.
Any response to that?
Okay lang naman po. Yeah.
But do you agree with her? Do you think na same thing lang yung mangyayari dahil pareho kayo ng zodiac sign ng ex niya?
Magkakaiba naman po lahat ng ugali ng ibang tao. Hindi po siya naayon sa zodiac sign or what.
Tama naman siya. It really depends on the upbringing of the person. Pero I feel like it's a huge factor kasi yung traits or yung attitudes nila somehow merong pagkakaparehas.
Right now, we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isa pang question.
If you were to rank between God, your family, your friends, and your partner, what's the ranking?
Matthew, 22, student intern. God first, family second, myself third, tapos yung huli yung partner ko.
Bakit last yung partner para sa'yo?
Okay, may tanong pa siya.
Matagal ko na kasi nakilala yung mga friends ko and may bond na kami. And since if ever may partner ako na bago and I'm getting to know her, dun muna siya sa ranking na yun.
Magle-level up naman if ever, or you don't know yet?
Of course.
Ako naman, my number 1 would be, siyempre, God. And the second would be my partner. And third would be the family, friends.
Siyempre, first is God, since siya po yung great provider natin. And second is family. Third is my partner. And fourth and last is my friends. Second po yung family because family is the first teacher talaga, which is our household kung paano ka nabibuild on who you want to be and who you will be. And third, yung partner because syempre you're still going to build your future together and eventually your partner will become your family. Last place, yung friends ko. Sorry, malalaki na kayo.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
One balloon to pop.
Yes. Masakit.
Di naman po.
Sakto lang. Okay, so bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Kasi last sa kanya yung partner niya. And I feel like it's very important for you to build your relationship. It's very important na higher than last yung partner mo. Grabe ka naman.
Oh, ba't daw ganun?
Sorry.
Pero tataas pa ba yun? Or ano ba?
Yes, kapag ano, na getting to know ko siya.
Mga anong rank?
Siguro top 3.
So pang third.
Wala pa din rank.
So family yung second, ganun. Okay. Any response to that?
Pag ganun na, okay na.
Okay. Okay, we have 2 balloons left. So now, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to
Okay.
help them figure out if you're a good match for them. Okay?
All right.
So, let's go over here. Hello. So, what is your question for our sexy single?
How do you like your egg being cooked by me?
How do you like your eggs cooked? By him daw.
Scramble, sunny side, umo rice.
I'm actually allergic to egg.
Oh! Paano yun? Are you gonna pop based on that?
Pause.
Let's just leave it at that first. Okay. All right. More on that later. Okay, and over here, what is your question for our sexy single?
Since nasa topic naman na po ng food, medyo nagutom ako. Why do you think may butas yung donut?
Okay. Go ahead.
Para makook thoroughly yung dough. Am I right?
Okay.
Actually, kasi para makook po siya evenly. Pero yeah, you're right. So, tinanong ko po siya kasi parang tinanong po siya sa akin sa mga job interviews ko. So, parang it tests kung paano po logical and quick thinking po yung isang tao.
So kung masagot nila yon, ibig sabihin logical and quick thinking sila.
Hindi ko rin po alam.
Pumasa ka ba doon sa mga interview na yun? Hindi. Pero, ba't mo natanong? Wala lang.
Tinignan ko lang din po yung logical thinking or critical thinking po since type ko po sa isang tao is very logical and critical thinking whilst being balanced on being showy and expressive pagdating sa kanilang emotion.
Okay, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the choice is yours. I would like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Kasi parehas sila ng may sense of humor, which I like.
Okay.
Diba? As I've said earlier. But,
But,
I have to choose.
okay. Egg or donut?
I think eggs or donuts?
Oh! Okay! Oy! Somebody call 911. Bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
I popped his balloon because I'm allergic to eggs.
Okay, aside from that,
And I feel like there's a better question you can ask.
pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, definitely.
Natatawan sa yung mga katabi.
Some pinto, no?
Neneng B, are you my boy pickup?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, and over here, bakit mo siya piniling i-pop din?
Kasi naman, bakit naman din donut yung tanong mo sa akin? Last question na nga.
Hindi po ako aware na last question na yun.
Uy! Ano? Ilan na lang ba kayo dito?
Bakit?
O, do you want to defend yourself? Do you want him to ask another question or talagang set ka na rin
Set na
hindi
po,
na?
yes.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, I think she's a good one, and I think we could have bond over music and all since nagpe-play din ako sa band as a guitarist.
Wow.
Sure ka na?
Sure na.
Okay.
Next
Bye-bye,
time bond
Donna.
tayo friends tayo. Oh.
Okay.
Jam tayo.
Ayaw.
Yeah.
Tampo na siya.
Joke lang. Sure, pwede naman next time.
Okay, so no donuts and eggs for today. Unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so
Hope
much.
you can join
Miss
again next
Lauren.
time.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Here comes our next sexy single. Hi!
Hi, Marian. How you going?
All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Jaya. I'm 20, and I'm a
Okay.
marketing specialist.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm hearing an accent. Are you from like...
I was born and raised in the Philippines, but I spend a lot of time working with Australians, so I've
Okay.
picked up the accent every now and then.
All right.
It's a bit botched,
But you're
it's
based
okay.
here now.
Every now and then.
Okay.
I split myself between Manila and Sydney.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
Yeah, I love backpacking. I go around Asia Pacific, so a lot of Australia, New Zealand, a lot in Southeast Asia.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Okay. So romance department naman. Anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Personality-wise, I love someone who's very confident, who's a good conversationalist, and overall, like,
Go ahead.
a very secure person, like secure in themselves.
Okay. How about physical traits?
Physical traits, I'd say at least somebody who's a little bit taller than me,
Okay.
and somebody with nice eyes.
All right.
That's it.
How about mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Somebody who's highly insecure, like very clingy. It's
Okay.
like very clingy in the sense that they don't want to be apart from you for so long, even if it's just days.
Okay.
That's very hard, I'd say.
Alright. So you would like travel and then your partner would stay here, parang ganun?
No, just overall, someone who doesn't like not being by themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, so a deal breaker is somebody who only, like, you revolve their life.
Oh, their
lang.
world revolves around you.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
All right. So you want them to have their own thing?
100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, mukhang may nag-pop sa ating lineup. So let's go over there first and find out kung bakit.
I'm Jack, 32, and I'm working in financial.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I'm introvert, and this time I want to be clingy because I've been NGSB for the ng buhay ko.
Yeah.
And that's how I would like to express my adoration to my significant other.
Yeah.
Any response to that?
No, that's lovely. I think that's a very respectable answer. It's just that with my lifestyle now, it's not really sustainable.
Okay. Do you have anything to add?
She already answered it. You're not gonna much.
Yeah, exactly.
But aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
She's gorgeous.
How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
You actually look like one of the people I've dated before.
Ooh.
So it's like,
So pasok siya sa type mo.
I would like my type maybe like 3 years ago, yeah.
Nag-evolve na from
Yeah,
then.
very much. Yeah,
Okay.
traveling helped a lot.
Alright. Na-expose ka sa
Yeah.
iba't ibang
Tired of this face.
No, you really look like him. That's a thing. Not really look like him. It's very, very similar. Don't know. Yeah. Why are you trying to get away from me already?
Gravitational pull.
So nare-repel ka sa kanya, gano'n.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So I guess it's just not a match right now. But okay. Baka naman ikaw yung ex niya.
Do I know you?
Sure ka? No girlfriend since birth?
Wala.
Okay. Alright. Just checking. Okay. Thank you so much. And may nag-pop pa ba ng balloon over here? Okay. Hello.
Jacob Emmanuel Borja, branch manager. And the reason why I popped my balloon is I did her a favor. I'm not tall, and there's nothing much to say about it. That's it.
Would you have popped him because of that?
No, not necessarily. Like my type in a person, like physically, isn't very strict. Like
Okay.
when I try and date, because I'm intentionally dating now, I try and look at somebody's personality more,
Okay.
somebody's humor, how their mind works mostly.
So preference lang, pero hindi ka naman set
Yes.
doon.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Does that change your mind at all?
Well, if that's the case, I don't think that I would stay
Bakit naman?
Maliit ako and ayoko rin naman na ipilit yung sarili ko sa gusto ng isang tao. Kung ano yung preference niya, ayoko ipilit or i-force ko yung bagay kung ano ako sa gusto niya. Pero ang masabi ko, good eye, mate.
Last words. Okay, thank you so much. Did not see that coming, but okay, cool. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help to get to know them better.
What's the biggest risk you've taken so far, and what happened because of that?
Hi, Matthew, 22 and student intern. I would say the biggest risk parang nagagawa ko is nag-travel ako alone without anyone knowing. Yun yung gusto ko rin ma-achieve in later on sa life na mag-travel din. Like alone in peace, peaceful.
Where did you go?
Mom, Dad, sorry po.
Sorry naman, okay.
Pumunta po ako sa Antipolo, dun sa may museum. Mom, Dad, sorry po na pumunta ako dun na walang paalam.
Okay, I didn't mean to expose you here, but okay, at least they know now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so may nag-pop bigla ng balloon dito. So let's find out muna kung bakit.
Hello po, I'm Aaron Christian from Pateros, 22 years old. I'm just a fourth year college student.
So ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi ko po kayang i-share yung reason eh.
Huh?
I mean, hindi ko po kayang i-share yung yung kwento po na about that.
About yung biggest risk. Okay, so it's too personal, so you'd rather just pop your balloon than share it. Okay, siya nga na-expose sa'yo. Okay, do you have any response to that? Or do you want like the second na pinaka-risky na lang ba? Or...
I think I would ask, just because I'm a very curious person, like, what's something that you can share is risky enough, but not really, you know what? Like, it's calculated.
Yung di naman super
Not
exposed.
something super personal, just whatever you can share.
No comment.
Ayaw niya talaga. Okay. Alright, we'll respect that. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yes po, she's pretty po.
Sayang naman. Okay. Let's get back to answering the question. Okay, over here, name, age, and job.
I'm Aaron Fronda, 23 years old, actor, freelance actor, and commercial model. My biggest risk in my whole life is that it's about my ex. Kasi wala nang natira sa akin eh. I gave it all to her. That's how I love.
I'm Dan, 20, and I'm a student, third-year student nurse, and I also do modeling. For me, calculated risk is yung pagpasok ko sa mundo ng modeling. Because not only do I have a really tight budget when it comes to my schedule, since very demanding yung course ko, but that's the fun part of it. You're calculating every single time or resource that you have in order for you to maximize the benefits.
I'm Josh, 25. I'm a fur daddy. So I have 2 kids, one from a previous marriage, partnership. It's a Labrador named Rocco, and I have a Shih Tzu named Norman. Probably coming here. Because if my mom sees this, or my dad, or work, or it's okay. It's not too bad as long as I don't do anything else weird. It's too weird.
Jordan Yanko, 23, accounting staff. My biggest risk po siguro yung, lumuwas po ako from my province. Taga Pampanga po kasi talaga ako. Tapos nag-work po ako dito sa QC para mag-grow po ako as a person and also my knowledge po.
Kailan ka nag-move?
After I graduated siguro po.
Okay, well, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry po.
And one more.
Okay, sagot mo eh.
Ano yan? Brace for impact. Sorry. Laging may sound effect yung sa'yo. Okay, so bakit siya yung piniling mo i-pop?
I just feel like if I ask more of my questions, I feel like he would expose himself even more to his
Okay. So it's for his benefit?
Yeah, pretty much.
And your response to that?
Thank you.
Alright, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, she's pretty. Maganda lang sa kanya. She has a mature face talaga. I mean, yeah, she's pretty.
So type mo yung ganon.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're set on that already?
Yeah, I might expose him even more and I feel bad.
Pero
No,
type mo naman ba
genuinely.
sana siya if not for that?
I feel like you're very charming. You wouldn't be my exact type, but you're very charming. You have a really good personality.
Okay, and you also popped his balloon. Okay, so let's go over there. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
So for you, it would be like your introduction when I asked the question. You answered, "Hi, I'm a fur baby. I'm a fur."
For parent?
Yeah. Hi, I'm a fur daddy, but that wasn't really the question. And then, while I understand that this is a very risky thing to do, I feel like in our lives there are probably other situations that have been more of a calculated risk than joining today's show.
Do you want him to share more than that, or?
I feel like I respect when someone isn't able to share anymore, like, contestant number 2.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah, my risky stuff isn't really safe to say.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So ito na yun.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm a bit hurt, you know, like the last 10 minutes have been the best 10 minutes of my whole night.
Yeah.
It's a shame. But yeah, it's live long and prosper. May the force be with you. And what's the other one?
Come on,
May
do it.
thy knife chip and shatter.
I hate to break it to you, I don't know anything that you said.
Okay.
New
No.
Zealand, like Lord of the Rings?
No.
nothing? Oh, it's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. You won't get
No, but I get the fur daddy thing though.
Oh,
Yeah, I bought a
yeah.
dog from my ex too, so like, yeah.
Oh yeah, and it's okay. The last girl to break my heart was Australian too, so I don't think I could have handled you.
I'm Filipino.
She was. Yeah, never mind.
Okay, so ayaw mo nang bumalik sa ganong setup ulit. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to get to know them better.
What are your passions and what are you actively doing that is helping you to reach your goal to be closer to your passion?
I'm just focusing on myself right now, especially on acting since I'm an actor. I mean, I want to get to the top. You know, by focusing still on myself, I'm still improving every day, day by day. Doing workshops, doing everything. Sky is the limit for me.
I'm focusing right now on my growth po siguro as a person nga. Tip din kasi namang tito ko na mayaman. Ayun.
Okay.
Na mag-focus muna ako sa self ko tsaka sa knowledge.
I'm very passionate about modeling and some music actually. Like I'm still trying to learn and better myself.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Okay, let's go over here. So bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Straight to the point, I just feel like he didn't really give me a quantified answer. Like it was very vague. That's it.
Okay, any response?
Okay lang. Sabi ko nga kanina, nahirapan akong makintindi na English.
Okay. Does that help at all, or?
It helps, but it's just not quantified. It's still very vague. Like generally, it's like what I liked about what they answered is that we're doing workshops, we're doing X, Y, Z
Mas
to be able to
specific.
get this. Yes.
Any response to that?
Okay lang po, thank you.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Nakita ko rin po kasi siya as my pinsan, yung kamukha niya po.
Pinsan?
O as a cousin.
Okay, are you guys not related, or baka may family reunion dito, or?
Hindi po kasi ako mag-English eh. Ay.
So, hindi.
Sabi niya gusto niyang good conversationalist. Ay, sa English pa lang nahirapan ako paano sa ano. Baka puro chat GPT na lang anuin ko.
Okay, so since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match for them. So what is your question for our sexy single?
If you were an animal, what are you?
I'm a tiger because I'm very fierce.
That's all?
That's all.
All right then.
Okay. All right, and over here, what is your question for our sexy single?
Since you said that you're very passionate about traveling, am I right? What made you very passionate about it? And what time span can you give, like, since traveling costs a lot of time, like what is the maximum time or interval that you're going to be very busy usually when you travel?
Okay, so regarding my background on why I love traveling now, it's because it makes me feel very free as a person. I'm able to expand so much more of my knowledge, so much more of my curiosity towards people and how they think, why they think. Like, I absolutely love meeting strangers and figuring out why something goes off in their head, like what languages their brain speaks, something like that. It really feeds my curiosity. If I was speaking to you about a year ago regarding about how long I would be gone for, that I would really have no answer to you because I was gone for 10 months in 2025. Now, this year, 2026, I'm looking into building something more stable. I'm looking into building a routine. So I'd say at most, I'd be gone for 3 months.
So since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop. Binibigay niya na. Anyari? Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Well, he's been giving the balloon to me for like since 2 rounds.
Really? Bakit ba kasi?
She looks like my cousin too.
Oh,
My father's side.
really?
Yeah.
Where are you from? Do I know you?
No, what's your apelyido? No.
Hindi naman pala.
But she looked like talaga.
Ba't ka sobrang takot? Parang... Okay, so you cannot unsee that.
Yeah, because me and my cousin, that cousin of mine, we always fight. Yeah, that's why I can see her like there's a tiger fish in
No, because
her
you have
eyes.
pretty eyes.
Tapos tiger pa yung sinabi niya, so parang palaban ba, ganon?
Yeah. That's all.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
I would say he has the nicest eyes out of everyone.
Ano, you cannot unsee or may chance ba? Or
She still look like my cousin, so no.
okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, well, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Once you graduate nursing, and I would assume you're continuing modeling, what else is something you'd like to learn but you just haven't really had the time for?
Actually, traveling also. Because not only do I really love to explore new things, I also love feeding my curiosity when it comes to anything, actually.
Okay, you're the one for each other daw talaga. Tingnan natin. Ikaw, may final question ka pa ba para sa kanya?
Does really being clingy turns you off?
With the extent of clingy that I mean is because one of the people I've dated before, the longest time, we were together for about 7 months. The longest time we were apart physically from each other was 3 days. And I think that's a little too much. 3 days is the maximum that we are apart. And every single day, like while he was still in school, I was just in the car park or in the library of the school, just waiting for him to finish. So I think there's a certain extent of clinginess that I understand, but there's also a ceiling for way too much. But I'm very flexible, definitely.
And how did you communicate that problem? And is it solved by the end of the relationship?
Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna be doxing myself this time.
Okay, your turn.
Yeah. Okay. I communicated that, but really, like, I'm a very direct and straightforward person. When I have a problem with you, I will tell you in a nice, respectful way. I try as much. And by the end of the relationship, he was the one that broke up with me because I ended up going on an overseas trip for about 3 weeks. This was during the holidays of 2022, so I only went to my family to spend time with them. And when I got back, he was like, "Oh, sorry, I got used to you not being around." So that's how that ended.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, I was gonna say thank you for sharing that.
I think you should have broken up when you thought na hindi na nag-work yung relationship because hindi siya nagbabago or anything.
That's
You agree
true.
with that?
That's true. I agree. I was like very young and naive. I was like 16, so young and dumb.
Pero set ka na ba doon?
Yeah, actually.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you. Thank you for joining, and I hope you can join us again next time. here comes our next sexy single. Hi! Hello. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Ira Miliares and I'm 24 years old.
Okay, and anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
Freelance artist po.
Oh, okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I like reading novels, watching K-dramas, Chinese dramas.
Okay. Yung mga Chinese dramas na uso ngayon. Alright, so anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
My
Sa personality?
ideal, tall guy. Wala naman pa akong reference sa skin.
Okay.
May sense kausap. Then, God-fearing.
Kailangan ba nanonood din ng Chinese dramas? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Pero plus points.
No, hindi na.
Hindi din.
Sa kanya na lang.
Okay. O
I
deal
respect-
breakers naman? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
And not judging kasi in the first place. Kasi hindi
okay.
naman natin alam yung inner niya. Yan lang naman yung nakita natin in the first place. Lang
Okay.
naman.
So, once you get to know them, dun mo palang malalaman?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, well, right now, wala pa nagpop-pop sa ating lineup. So, the choice is yours. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop, just based on what you're seeing right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Sorry po.
And one more.
Sorry.
Okay. Uy, sino na una? Siya? Okay.
I'm Aaron Christian from Pateros, 22 years old.
So, ba't siya yung napili mo ipop?
Basta may nakikita kang hindi kami pwede.
Oh, like what? Anong nakita mo sa kanya?
Siguro, hindi ako nag-ano ng glasses.
Hindi mo preference yung may glasses. Okay.
Sorry.
Bigla siya nag-pop tuloy. May natamaan.
Ano lang naman, parang foresighted like that. Hindi naman ako maano sa mga foresighted. Basta may ano lang talaga.
Okay. Any response to that?
Wala po.
Yeah. Hindi naman. Naka-lens.
Do you get that often, yung about sa glasses mo? Or first time mo narinig?
First time ko po na
Sorry talaga.
Okay lang po.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Okay lang po.
Bakit naman okay lang?
Maganda po siya.
Okay. Maganda naman daw. Okay. Alright. Okay. Well,
Sorry
thank you
po.
so much.
Erin from the 23 years old.
Ba't ka bigla nag-pop?
Farsighted po ako eh. Kapag malayo, hindi ko na po makikita talaga. Pero pag ganito kalapit, yung malalapit sa akin, nakikita ko naman.
Is that a problem for you? Or yung glasses, yung use of glasses lang
Yes
talaga?
ba? Yung use
Yung
of
glasses lang. Oh, yun naman pala.
Kasi baka pag may, baka hindi niya rin maano yung ginagawa ko, ganyan. Parang, or pupunta kami sa ganito, ganyan. Baka siya yung mahihirapan. Ako lang po kasi yung concern sa kanya.
Okay. So, para sa person na yun.
Yes po.
Okay. Does that change your mind at all?
No.
Okay. But hindi mo ba siya type or?
She's kind of, hindi naman sa type ko siya for friend. Friend din.
Bakit friend?
Kumuha niya yung friend ko eh.
Ang dami namang kamukha. Kanina
Grabe
pinsan,
naman
friend
yan.
naman ngayon.
Siguro lahat
Totoo lang. Hindi, totoo lang.
Sino yun?
Totoo lang. Minsan sama ka sa akin sa Makati. Talaga magkamukha kayo. Mas malaki lang siya sa'yo.
BGC?
No, Makati. Sa kapag gigimik kami sa Pablo or something.
Pabla? Hindi ako
Tingnan mo.
gumigimik.
Ay, hindi. Yun lang.
Hindi ako nagpa-Pabla.
Okay. So, hindi siya yun. May tumating lang ganun. Okay, pero sat ka na doon. Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much.
I'm Dan, 20, and I am a student nurse, 3rd year, and I also do modeling.
So, ba't ka nag-pop?
TBH, to be honest. Actually, really needed ko po yung glasses since I have a very sensitive eyes. So, yung paggamit ng contact lenses is really needed ko po talaga siya. So, yeah.
Ipapop mo ba din siya sana because of that? Or pasok pa rin ba siya sa type? Oh.
It's alright. I respect your preference.
Okay. So, type mo ba sana siya or no?
Yeah, I think she's good, pero suyay mo muna ako.
Okay, next time na lang.
Again, Jacob Emmanuel Borja, turning 21 this year. Branch manager at a hair studio in Makati.
So, ikaw yung nag-pop bigla or siya yung nag-pop? Ikaw? Okay, akala ko inunahan mo ba siya mag-pop?
Popped it first.
Okay, so bakit?
Okay.
She popped it. But, yeah, sinabi niya nung una, matangkad. Kita naman, hindi. O matangkad. And second, ewan ko kung siguro rason niya height or sa salamin. Pero siguro sa salamin, Salamin ko, optional naman siya. Pero since dati nagtatrabaho ko as banker, lagi ako nakatutok sa screen. And ngayon, screen pa rin kasi ako pa rin nag-aaral sa sales. So nakatutok pa rin sa screen. Optional siya, may grado, pero pwede ko rin siya tanggalin. Pero feel ko sa height.
Tama ba siya doon? What would your
Kasi,
reason be?
Isipin mo, magsasama tayo. Para tayo magkapatid.
So is
Did
it
you see that?
the height, ganon?
Yeah. Kasi, sorry kung ganun yung ano ko.
Well, that's her opinion. I'll always respect opinions. And, well, I can't force someone to choose or change their preference. So that's it.
Ikaw ba, type mo sana siya?
Yeah, she looks professional. She looks good. Her eyes and eyebrows, she's fine.
Alright, we're set on that already. On both sides. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, may nag-pop pa dito sa likod. Okay, let's go back over there.
Jock 32, I work in financial.
Okay, so, bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi I'm not being intentional pero I'm planning to get eyeglasses kasi nag-start na eye ko low eyesight na.
So, dahil may plan ka na mag-glasses, kaya nag-pop ka na rin ngayon pa lang.
No joke, like look at my eyes right now.
Okay. any response to that? Tingnan mo daw yung mata niya, oh. Nahiya pa eh. Any response to that?
It's okay kasi we have our own preferences sa or pananaw.
Pero type mo sana siya kung hindi yun yung preference niya.
She's good looking pero not my initial attraction.
Ano bang type mo?
Wala akong type eh.
Ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi.
Hindi, bakit?
Siguro may nasisense ka rin na hindi tayo magmamatch.
I just really don't see myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, feeling lang.
Yeah.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
Ano po ba yung nakikita nyo in the future na mararating nyo kasama yung babaeng yun?
Hi, Matthew, 22 and student intern. Siguro sa akin, gusto ko yung makakaban mo yung family ko. And yun talaga yung kapag may partner ako kasi pangit naman yung tinatago mo yung partner mo sa parents mo.
So family-oriented ka.
Yes.
Jordan Yanko, 23, accounting staff.
Yung answer mo sa question niya.
Future wife nga ba yung tanong?
Yes, future wife.
Well, future wife. May apat na kaming anak, mayaman na.
Yes.
Tapos, ngayon muna, siyempre hindi pa kami wife. I want a... Simula pa lang eh. I want a girlfriend and also a girl best friend. Parang tropa lang yung vibes namin. Ganun. And ganun din yung yung pakikitungo namin sa mga anak namin. Ganun. Parang sobrang close namin. Ganun. Basta wag lang magmumuran. Ganun.
Same.
Hi, I'm Josh, 25. I work in law enforcement and search and rescue. So yung vision ko for the year 2050, me and future wifey,
Yes.
may stable, na kami, legacy, family, healthy yung relationship. Medyo pa low-key na kami kasi pa-retire na. Yun yung goal ko na nakapag-raise kami ng maayos na pamilya, tapos hindi toxic, yung bata stable, tsaka marunong siyang magbigay at tumanggap ng love.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon. To pop.
One balloon.
Yes.
Sorry.
So, bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Kita ko yung visualize mo. We have different path na gusto ring tahakin.
So, you don't see it na aligned yung...
And I don't see it myself in you.
And your response to that?
No, it's okay. I'm fine with that.
Pero ikaw ba, nakikita mo yung future mo with her?
Willing naman po kung titignan.
Kung mabibigyan ng chance, ganon. Anong part yung hindi aligned with you?
Nag-jump na siya dun sa legacy agad.
Masyadong future. 2050 ba yun?
Parang sabi ko,
Mga anong year ba gusto mo?
parang nasa na siya, old age na siya. Kasi gusto ko, magpa-plan tayo together. Not just by your own plan.
Any response to that?
Tama naman.
Kasi minsan 'di ba meron pong girl na iba yung pananaw, iba rin yung ano sa'yo. So, you need to connect each other para magkaintindihan kayo in the future.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Willing po. Kasi wala talaga akong girlfriend ever since, so di ko alam yung anong type ko talaga. So ano lang.
Wow.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, maybe next time. All right. So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them get to know you better.
If aalis tayo, saan mo ako dadalhin?
Gusto ko mag-date tayo sa may city lights habang nagko-coffee.
Sita Dines agad. May suggestion na agad.
Parang ganon yung first date. Kasi minsan, yung first date kasi is parang dun mo maano yung, or parang yun yung first magiging impression mo sa kanya.
Okay, and over here, anong question mo for our sexy single?
Sa boyfriend naman, ano yung mas gusto mong natatanggap? Yung galing bili or yung handmade na gifts?
Handmade. Kasi doon mo makikita yung sincerity ng isang tao kung gano'n mo ka-effort ibigay. Even a simple gift, na-appreciate ka na.
Ayun, thank you.
May sample ba na anong kind of gift yung gagawin mo?
Marami po yung mga bulaklak na handmade. Kahit pangit, matatanggap mo ba?
Hindi.
Basta galing sa puso.
Yeah. Iba kasi yung effort na binibigay mo doon sa gift mo na ikaw mismo gumawa.
Yung mga kaibigan ko kasi, nabibigyan ko sila lahat kasi wala naman akong girlfriend. Sino ba mabibigyan ko? Eh, di ba sila na lang? Yun lang.
O baka ngayon, we'll see. Baka sa iba mo na mabibigay. Sana. Okay. Alright. So, since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Sorry.
Oh. Parang ako yung matatamaan. Oh!
No.
Hala! Akala ko ba yung handmade gifts? Sa friends mo ulit mapupunta yun. Oh.
Kaya nga.
Okay. But you were really gonna pop? Nag-pop ka talaga? Okay. And are you gonna pop his balloon or...
Hindi, inaano ko. Di nag-iisip pa po ako, tapos gumagano na rin.
Okay. So, punta muna tayo ulit doon. Okay. So, we'll get back to you later. So, ano nangyari? Ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually po, yung mga sagot niya po parang yung gusto ko po yung mga sagot niya. Pero, personal preference lang po siguro. I'm not seeing her as my future wife po siguro.
Bakit naman?
Sabi niya nga po parang future yung gusto niya. Yung,
Ano yun? Isa pa.
wag na lang nga.
Hindi. Explain mo kung bakit. Bakit? Ba't ka nag-pop?
Ayun po, I'm not seeing her as my future wife po siguro kasi ayun, personal preference po. Mas gusto po kasi yung cute type of girl po. Parang hirap i-baby po pag medyo matangkad na.
So, yung height ba? Parang pasok naman sa height, I think. Gusto mo hanggang dito gusto mo yung binubuhat na cute type?
Hanggang dito.
Ikaw na lang kaya.
Uy, baka ba't naging pwede rin naman. We're open here. I mean, so, yun. Hindi siya pasok sa personal preference mo.
Pero maganda naman po siya, maputi. Personal preference lang po siguro kasi mas type ko po yung cute type of girl po. Sorry po, ate.
Ate bigla.
Mas matanda naman po ata.
Anyway, any response to what he said? Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya? Nakikita mo ba siya as like potential future partner?
Sana.
Oh, ba yan? Sila na lang.
Nagustuhan ko yung handmade na niya.
Oh, paano yan?
Wala po, personal preference. Baka mag-match kami ngayon and in the next few days po.
Few days?
Few days, few months, few years. Pero wala nang upcoming years.
Okay, so hindi talaga. Oh, okay. Okay, well, since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Ay, dito ka na pala. Hello. Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Siya muna.
Okay, ikaw daw.
Ladies first.
Ikaw muna.
Ako na lang magtatanong. Pag wala na kayong final questions or meron pa ba?
Ano ang green flag and red flags mo?
Yung red flag ko, hindi ako madaling magalit even though nagagalit na kayo, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi ako marunong pumatol. Ganon.
Okay.
Hindi ako marunong makipag-away sa ibang tao na, alam niyo yung away talaga na pangkalye, ganon.
Okay. So gusto mo sana na mas makapag-fight back
Parang
ka sana?
gentle type, ganon.
Okay.
Tapos yung green flag ko siguro, sobrang haba ng patient ko and I'm also understanding. Hindi kita i-judge agad-agad in the first place. Aalamin ko na yung inner side mo. Ganun.
Okay. You good with that? Oh, okay. So ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
First kasi yung tumingin siya sa akin, then she said sorry na, which is intention na ipuputok yung balon ko, then na sumama siya. And yeah, yun yung most likely kaya ako pin-up yung balon ko. Kasi hindi ako yung pinili una. Second option.
Oh, sakit!
Alam niyo po,
May sayaw pa.
alam niyo po, kasi kamukha niya yung friend ko.
Pero friend lang yung nakita mo. Oh, so dahil nandun, nakamukha niya yun, ito na naman yung mga kamukha ko kasi nahawa sila sa'yo eh.
Sino yun?
Pero, ayun yung reason mo. Okay, so hindi mo siya nakikita romantically?
Hindi.
Oh, ikaw kasi, wait, ba't siya?
Ako na ulit.
Puro, ang dami nag-hug sa lineup. Sila na magka-comfort sa isa't isa. Okay, well, if that's your decision, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round. But, thank you so much, both of you. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you po.
We can join again next time. Thank you
po.
Here comes our next sexy single. Hi! Hello?
Hello.
Oh, okay. All right. Ang daming energy for last round. Hello?
Hello.
Okay, so fun fact, guys. She's actually my cousin.
Hi.
So introduce yourself.
So, hi, I'm Amika Honor, 20 years old and currently a third-year college student.
Okay, and anong hobbies mo? What do you like to do for fun?
Mostly related siya sa music like singing, dancing, and playing guitar.
Sample, sample, sample.
I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with lovers before. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Give it up for Mika, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, also aside from music, ano pang mga hobbies mo?
I like reading books na related sa course ko and also watching K-dramas and anime.
Okay.
Pero starting pa lang kasi ako pag-watch ng anime. Recently lang siya.
Alright. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
Gusto ko talaga yung may sense of humor talaga.
Okay.
Kasi feeling ko ma-match kami ng vibes. Since
Okay.
medyo may sense of humor din ako eh.
Okay, medyo lang. May padila
Medyo
pa
lang.
talaga. Okay. Yung physical naman, anong hanap mo?
So sa physical, gusto ko mas matangkad sa akin. So
Okay.
para madali i-forehead kiss siya. Joke lang.
Ano
And
yun?
then- And then gusto ko yung clean boy looking talaga.
Okay, so clean boy na nagpo-forehead kiss.
Yeah.
Just to clarify. Okay. So, ano namang mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong gato yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro yung deal breakers ko is my past issue with cheating. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-ayaw kong maranasan. Maloko yun lang.
Okay, so no to cheaters. All right.
Yeah.
Well, right now, wala pang nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose
Okay.
2 balloons to pop based on what you're seeing right now.
Hello. Joke lang. 2 balloons.
2 balloons. Oh, laging nauuna.
Sorry.
One more.
Sige, ikaw na lang.
Erin Fronda, 23 years old, freelance actor and commercial model.
So, bakit mo siya piniling ipop?
Kasi nakita ko nagbo-volunteer na siyang mag-pop ng balloon. So, ako na gumawa ng way para
Ganito lang ako.
Parang ganun siya.
It's not even a volunteer. I mean, I'm just showing the balloon.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Friend type.
Ba't naman friend?
I mean, I'm not into that smaller girls. Medyo matangkad din kasi
okay.
medyo trip ko eh.
So, preference lang.
But, she's good.
Thank you.
Ikaw ba, type mo sana siya?
Okay
Kung hindi niya
naman siya,
binibigay yung
pero-
balloon.
Kasi binibigyan niyo yung balloon eh. I want someone na parang willing talaga na to get me. Parang
Okay.
ganon.
Masyado siya
Yeah.
nag-giveaway agad.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay,
Thank
and
you.
over here, sino na naman nauna?
Here's going to pop the balloon. So, again, my name is Jacob Emmanuel Borja, branch manager, hair salon in Makati. And I think you should ask first.
Okay, so, nag-pop ka lang dahil ipapop ka na niya.
Naisip ko na, kasi lagi naman tall guy, pero ayaw nilang short king. Ano ba yun? Wala tayong magagawa eh.
Yeah.
Malamig ang
Sorry.
kalsada, tropa. Ganun ang kalsada.
I'm so sorry. Pero, you're cute.
Oh.
But, mas bet ko lang talaga yung mas matangkad sa akin.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Alright. Oh, ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah. Pero nasa Pilipinas tayo, average height. Ganito lang. Wala tayong
Thank you.
magagawa. Pero,
I'm sorry.
yun nga, malamig ang kalsada. Ganun lang masasabi ko. Inunahan ko kasi alam kong height lagi. Pero short king, definitely someone siguro may match. Pero yeah.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question.
What are your red flags and green flags?
Hi, Matthew, 22 and student intern. Red flags, clingy. I just need a update lang sa nangyari din. Green flags, dami.
Sample?
First, I really like to give assurance talaga sa partner ko. Like to let her know ano yung naramdaman ko sa kanya towards her. Andito ako like emotionally and physically to support sa future partner ko rin.
I'm Aaron Christian from Pateros, 22 years old po. May red flag po is yung tulad po nung kanina po. Masyado po kasi akong yun sa last girl po na tinatanong niyo po ako kung type ko naman po siya. Pero maganda po siya. Pero parang para sa akin po, pag sinabi ko pong hindi ko siya type, parang feeling ko ma-offend po siya na ganun. Pero ayun po. Tapos yung green flag ko naman po, ang gusto ko po kasi financially stable po muna ako bago ako manligaw sa babae. Pero ewan ko po bakit ako nandito.
So, meaning to say, hindi ka pa financially stable.
Yes po, I'm fourth year college student po, graduating po this year.
And yung red flag mo yung kanina na hindi ka parang open about what you actually feel.
Masyado po akong mahihain po na feeling ko po ma-offend po siya pag parang hindi po ako straight to the point po minsan ganun po.
Jock, 32, work in financial. To be honest, I can't take up anything. Why am I gonna expose myself, or I don't know.
Kahit green flag.
I'm a lover boy.
Jordan Yanko, 23. Accounting staff. May red flag siguro. Para sa iba kasi red flag siya. I have a lot of, friends na babae po. And also, that is my green flag po siguro. Kasi, na-take advantage ko siya kasi. Sa mga broken-hearted ko na kaibigan dyan, nalaman ko na kung ano yung mga red flag na mga guy na dapat hindi ko gagawin sa kanila. Ma-make sure ko na hindi ako mag-cheat kasi parang nag-cheat na din ako sa mga kaibigan kong babae, di ba?
Dan, 20, student nurse, third year, and also a model. I guess my red flags would be that I tend to not really get emotional. Hindi ako super expressive pagdating sa emotional, although I'm trying to work it out. I do say what I am feeling, but I don't really know how to express it pa as of now. And I guess my green flag would be I am tolerant and very pragmatic when it comes to the relationship.
Hi, I'm Josh, 25, law enforcement. Green flag ko, wala po akong mga girl best friend. Red flag naman close ako kay mama. So, di ko naman masasabing mama's boy. Kasi di ba mama's boy, di ka makatayo pag di ka makadesisyon. Di mo pwedeng labanan si mama. Pasaway po akong bata.
So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay, so the first balloon that I will pop is... Sorry.
And one more. Okay, so bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Oh, kasi sabi niya kanina, hindi siya masyadong straightforward.
Okay.
And I like someone who is straightforward kasi paano ko malalaman yung nararamdaman mo kung hindi ka magiging straightforward sa akin. So, di ko rin kasi masyado gusto yung paligoy-ligoy na words.
Gusto mo
Yan.
sabihin niya na lang, direct
Yeah.
to you. Okay, and your response to that?
People pleaser po ba yun? Yung parang naano po ako sa kanya na baka ma-offend lang po siya, ganun. Pero sa lahat naman po ng bagay, pag sa relationship po, sinasabi ko po talaga kung ano po yung dapat na ano.
But if there's something wrong in your relationship, sasabihin mo ba sa kanya or matatakot ka mag-share?
Sasabihin ko po sa kanya, mag-open po ako para po malaman niya kung ano po yung dapat naming maayos sa isa't isa yun po.
Does that change your mind at all or set ka na?
No, kasi feeling ko hindi nagmamatch yung sinabi niya kanina na straightforward siya na at tsaka yung kaninang sinabi niya rin na sasabihin niya sa akin agad. So, paano niya sasabihin sa akin agad kung hindi naman siya straightforward? Yun lang naman yung takeaway ko.
Okay, may gusto ka bang i-add?
Wala naman po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Type mo ba sana siya?
Maganda po siya. Yes po.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Kamukha ko? Magkamukha ba kami? Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Yung age gap namin, I'm 20 and he's 25. So, parang 5 years gap. Feeling ko kasi pag 25, naghahanap na siya ng parang, yung magsasettle na siya. Ganon.
Is that true?
Ano, yung bala ko 29 talaga. Naka-deadline yun. So,
Ayun naman pala, malayo pa sa deadline niya.
Pero, okay.
Okay. Anyway, ayun, 29 pa naman pala yung deadline niya to settle. Does that change your mind?
No, I'm
No.
sorry.
Bakit naman?
Kasi 5-year gap.
Yung 5-year gap
Yeah.
talaga. Okay. Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
it's your cousin.
You're allowed to. I'm not forcing
okay.
anyone to date her. She's just here and she just so happens to be my cousin. So, yun, syempre, maging honest pa rin kayo. Because you guys are gonna be the ones dating.
I'm willing to give it a go if
Hindi nga kita pinipilit.
Parang hindi siya sure ate.
Okay, so I'll just take that as a not right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
maybe
Okay.
In a few years. Okay.
30. So
Okay.
Baka mag-change yung circumstance. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so may
you.
nag-pop ng balloon dito.
I heard she's 20 and the age gap, mainly just the age gap.
Di ba parang 2 years lang naman yung age gap if she's 20 and you're 22?
Still the gap. I prefer 23.
Older ng 1 year sa'yo.
Like my age and above.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Yung music taste kasi namin, hindi nagmamatch.
And that
Kasi-
matters to you?
Yeah. Kasi since
Explore?
I'm open to that, but not right now.
Not right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isa pang question.
If you like someone, how would you build a deeper connection to the person you like?
Hi, cousin.
Her name's Mika.
To share yung mga things na you don't normally share sa mga friends mo. Parang I'm counting you as my best friend and the person that I trust kasi rare lang ako magbigay ng mga personal information about my personal life rin.
Dahan-dahan lang muna yung... dahan-dahan lang.
Okay.
Gusto ko kasi getting to know each other muna. Pag-connect nga ng connection, wifi.
Galing. Sige. Oh, mukha namang match. Natatawa naman sa sinasabi mo. So mukhang match naman humor niyo.
May sense of humor naman ako. Siguro, ito na to.
Okay.
Sige.
Oh, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, over here.
Parang natatawa silang lahat sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Kinikilig daw sila.
I guess we'll build a deeper connection through means of quality time and communication. Since sabihin natin may kailangan mag-initiate sa atin ng deeper connection, but we'll build it together. So in order for that to happen, we'll have to spend some quality time together, not only doing our hobbies, but also knowing each other's perspective pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon.
1.
2 pop.
Halang hirap naman. Natatawa ko.
Sino kaya?
Sige, ikaw na lang.
Ay! Okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Feeling ko kasi sa yung answers ng tatlo, siya yung pinaka hindi serious, yun lang. Kasi ang mature nung answers ng dalawa. So, parang unfair naman dun sa
Parang
dalawa.
sinabihan niya na akong immature eh.
Hindi naman. Unserious lang, sabi ko.
Uy, LQ agad. Ay.
Sana magseryoso sa kanya eh.
Ano? Balloon back?
Yan kasi. Ba't kasi gano'n yung sagot mo?
Ano?
Pwede ko bang i-practice mamaya? Sasagutin ko na lang mamaya para maganda yung sagot pang talent.
Baka chat GPT mo?
Yun lang. Sabi ko kanina
Yung
yun
huli
eh.
na.
Huli.
Ano? Balloon back or set ka na ba?
Set na ako. Chat GPT daw niya eh.
Galing naman sa puso ko yun eh. Ginaid ko lang yung chat GPT.
Wala,
Ganun
gusto
ba
ko
yun?
yung raw.
Oh.
Di ko kaya yun.
Uy, ano
Uy.
ba to? Anyway, so thank you so much. Fair type mo ba sana siya?
Opo eh, pasok sana sa ano ko. Check.
Ano yan?
May pa-receipt?
Kaya nga eh. Ito sana lalabas ko ng application form niya eh.
Ano yan, resume?
May application form na sana siya oh.
Ano
Try
yan?
maging boyfriend, ganon?
Patingin.
Tapos ito yung ano, job posting.
Wow, may
Hiring a
qualifications.
partner in life. Qualifications, pabasa? Mabait, non-negotiable, may empathy at marunong umunawa, hindi judgmental, kayang makinig kahit hindi ako magaling mag-explain, okay, accurate. May emotional intelligence, hindi toxic, hindi controlling, willing mag-grow with me, hindi over me. Okay, tanggap ako kung ano lang ang kaya ko ngayon. Requirements. Resume, Senomar, valid ID kahit student ID, okay na? Okay, how considerate of you? NBI clearance para sure hindi criminal sa feelings. Barangay clearance, patunay na mabait ka sa kapitbahay. Medical certificate, malakas ang puso, mahaba ang pasensya. And lastly, character reference, nanay, best friend, o aso. Any comment on any of that?
Arf, arf.
Sure ba kayo? Ang cute eh. Ang cute panoorin. Okay, so are we set on that already? Hindi ka mag-a-apply?
Baka mamaya.
Oh, there's a chance. Okay, so we'll see.
Sayang may sweldo sana yun eh. Forehead kiss pa naman gusto niya.
Forehead kiss. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. And moving on to our last two balloons. So, this time, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo. Start over here. What is your question for our sexy single?
Ano ang pinakahanap mo sa potential partner mo?
More understanding and nagbibigay ng assurance talaga since yung mga past na nakausap ko is hindi talaga sila nagbibigay ng assurance na yun yung nagiging cause ng parang pagka-cut off namin sa isa't isa. And I want siguro mas mature lang sa akin. So, para minsan naintindihan niya rin ako kung bakit ako ganito, gano'n.
Okay, someone to understand you.
Yeah.
In your own perspective, what do you think ang magiging deal breaker ng most ng guys towards you?
Kung hindi ako confrontational.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, yun lang.
Ayaw mo na
Goodbye.
mag-add. Okay, do you wanna continue or?
Hindi ako confrontational noon.
Okay.
Pero, ngayon kasi...
ano? Hipan niyo ulit yan. Hipan niyo ulit.
Kasi, di ba kasi tapos? Di ba tapos?
Okay.
Hindi ako confrontational noon. Pero, as I grow,
Noon.
as I mature,
Okay.
siguro mas naging better ako
Okay.
with confronting people.
Okay.
Siguro dahil din sa mga pinagdaanan ko as I grow up, mas natutunan ko maging confrontational.
Okay.
So, ayun lang naman.
Okay. So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
Ano ba yan?
Sorry, nandi pa kasi tapos, patapusin niyo muna.
Do you want your balloon back or?
Actually, the way she answered made me settle na din kasi sabi niya confrontational, then pause noon, so parang may hesitation. So
Okay.
parang clearly unsure.
Understandable.
Pero yeah, do you confront people bluntly or lightly?
Lightly. Kasi, yung course ko kasi as a psychology student, as a psych student, mas siguro, inintindi ko muna yung whole situation before I confront bluntly. Yun lang.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
does that change your mind or set ka na?
Psych kasi.
Ano? Bakit pag psych?
Baka gawin mo kong therapist, oh.
Pag psych mga...
Ano meaning ng
Siguro sa mga psych students, take notes sa mga lessons nyo at magamit nyo yun sa buhay.
So, you think na baka kailangan nila sa selves nila yun?
I think most ng mga psych students nagsa-psych for themselves and para na rin hindi maranasan ng each other. I like it, but yeah, I don't really prefer it.
You agree with him? Ganun ba?
Hindi. Kasi yung pag-psych ko may ibang meaning pa siya. Hindi lang siya for myself. Also for other people din. Yun lang. Akala ko para sa sarili
Sabi
lang.
ko for
Parang
yourself.
intindihin.
Not listening?
Hindi daw for herself, for someone, for other people daw.
Sabi ko, for yourself and for other people din para hindi nila maranasan yung mga napagdaan.
Sorry. Nasira kasi eardrum ko nung isang araw eh.
Okay, there's another pop balloon over here. Anong nangyari? Bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi ko pina-finish yung sentence niya po. Pero follow up din yung sa sinabi po niya na yung gusto mo i-take things lightly kapag confrontational. Kasi sa akin kasi gusto ko kasi like, idiin sa akin yung mga mga problems, like i-real talk mo ako ganun. May times din kasi leads to confusion din sa isang partner if hindi nila maintindihan yung light mo.
Willing ka ba mag-adjust or ganun ka talaga?
When it comes to a relationship kasi, willing naman ako mag-adjust. Para equal din. Mag-adjust ka and mag-a-adjust din ako.
Okay.
Yun lang naman yung sabihin ko.
Okay, so in this case, willing ka ba na parang mas idiin sa kanya?
Yeah, if he wants to.
Okay. Does that change your mind at all?
No.
Ba't naman?
Naputok na yung balon ko po eh.
Okay, so you're gonna stick to your decision.
Yes po.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Oh, sure ka na talaga?
Unfortunately, yes po.
It's okay.
All right. Well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much for joining. Good to see you.
Yeah, it's good
And
to
thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Puso